Decluttering underneath your bathroom sink. It causes anxieties for us all, right? I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, today I'm in the clutter corner. This is sponsored by Hoarding World, which you do not have to be a hoarder to participate, but lots of us have extra stuff in our house. The clutter corner is a table that you can set up anywhere you like. It can be in your home, it can be in your storage unit, it can be out on your back patio, and we bring one box at a time and we change our relationship to stuff. We make new rules about what's inside this box. Therefore, when you go out to the shopping stores or you go to a flea market or a yard sale, if you see these same items, but you've made rules about them, it allows you then to walk on by and you don't have to make the decision again because you already have. I know, changing our relationship with stuff. All right, today we have a box of stuff that came underneath a bathroom sink from a woman who is in her late 70s. And she has now cut her hair and it's very short and it's white and it's about that long. So she's not using any of the hair appliances that I think are in this box. So I asked her permission in advance if I find curling irons and things like that, can we send them on their way? And she said, yes, I haven't used them in years. I will never use them again. So what we're doing now is we're asking for permission for this stuff to be able to move on. Okay, cool. So at the very top here, I see a flattening iron, and I'm not sure, but this looks like it's in brand new condition. So we will plug this in before we donate it, but this is our donation box, and I'm going to move it from the clear box to the opaque box. And I'm going to keep the clear bin because we like clear bins simply for the fact that we can see through them. So we will use this somewhere else in her house for storage, but we're going to remove this flat iron and put it in the donation box. Next is a hat that might have been used for her gardening or when she's out walking her dog. But since she has not used this in years, I'm going to assume she has a different one that she's using because she said all this stuff she's not using at all. All right, I see a stack of business cards with a rubber band around it. And I'm guessing these are business cards from who knows what. I'll ask her if she wants to keep them. If not, these are ready to toss. We'll set these aside. I find a set of reading glasses. I will ask her about the reading glasses because she's of that age where maybe these are actually beneficial to her. I see some hangers, and these look like hangers for clothes. I'm going to put these in the donation box because a lot of thrift stores are able to reuse those to hang clothing in their stores. This is a clothing steamer, and it looks like one of those that you will buy from late night TV. And I'm guessing that because it looks like it's never been used. I'm guessing because she doesn't use it and it's been in this box, she says she hasn't been underneath here for years. I'm guessing this is okay to pass on as well. I see a pouch, and I know what this is. Here's a curling iron. It's to set the curling iron inside of so that it doesn't burn your counter. And she's not using the curling iron, so I'm going to put that in there as well. All right, there is makeup brushes. And since, again, she said she's not using them or using anything in here, I'm assuming she has a different set that she's using. So we're going to put this inside the donation box. Wet wipe, that can go in the trash. And here's a cool looking glitter pouch. And it has, I don't know if you can see this, it has makeup things that look like samples or small travel size items. So I'm just going to donate that whole pouch and we'll let someone else deal with that. And that's it. Okay, so that was fast, that was quick. We went through an entire box, and what we decided was there might be a couple of items to throw away. There might be one item that's useful, that's age appropriate, that she would be using right now. The rest of the stuff doesn't fit her lifestyle anymore or her hairstyle. So that was easy. We're going to donate this box. This box we're going to recycle somewhere else in her house or her storage unit. And that was how easy that was. Now, we're going to mention to her what we let go so that if she's out and about, she sees a curling iron on sale, we're going to say, remember, we got rid of yours because you hadn't used it in years. And so from now on, when she's out and about, she won't buy these items anymore. You see how that works? That was awesome, right? All right, leave your questions and comments in the notes below. And if you want to join us over at Hoarding World, please come join us. I will leave links as well. It's a support group for people that are changing their relationship with stuff. And until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.